Bruxism, or grinding the teeth, is an extremely common condition. Studies have shown that as many as 20% or 1 in 5 adults exhibit some degree of bruxism or the less common habit of clinching. Chewing is a complex activity consisting of both reflex muscle action and conscious control by the brain. Bruxism and clinching, on the other hand, are considered parafunctional habits. In simple terms, it means that muscles are working without conscious control by the brain. When a person chews normally, approximately 50 pounds of force is placed on the teeth. But while grinding or clinching, as much as 1,100 pounds of force can be exerted. Grinding places too much